Today we're going to be taking an up-close look at our Shred Sled range of products. As always, I'm Sam from Vantrax. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube and following our socials to keep up to date with exciting projects and new products that we have to offer. This here is our medium Shred Sled Pro. As standard, the Shred Sled Pro comes with our sliding carriage kit, 2 drop-in axle holders, as well as 2 bike stow tilting fork mounts. This being the Pro variant, we also offer a standard variant of the Shred Sled without all of these accessories as an empty tray, so that if you already have your own bike mounting method, you can do that and just purchase the base sled. So let's talk about some of the key features that set our Shred Sled system apart. In order to maintain the clean and modern aesthetic, we have made the decision to assemble the Shred Sled using Lamello Cabineo X fixings. Now, these have exceptional strength whilst increasing our efficiency and accuracy during the assembly phase of the sled. In order to adjust for wheelbase on the Shred Sled Pro, we have our sliding carriage system. As you can see, there are milled slots down the length of the sled, so all you have to do is undo your 4 Allen pinch bolts and slide the carriage into whatever position suits your wheelbase. To alter the position of your axle holders, we've used a simple ratchet strap method. So simply loosen the ratchet strap, slide it to wherever suits for your bike, and retighten the strap. To make our axle holder solution as versatile as possible, our slots accommodate from a 12mm axle, so for your road bikes and gravel bikes, all the way up to a 20mm axle, so for your downhill bikes and hard-hitting enduro bikes. To ensure a high load rating and long lifespan with the Shred Sled, we have fitted it with heavy-duty draw runners, rated at 220 kilograms. Now, these are lockable, so to release them, pull down the yellow latches and slide the sled out the back of your van. Now, these draw runners are lockable, so when at full extension, they will automatically lock to keep it in position when you're loading your bikes. Now, if you pull the levers to go back in, they will also lock at the halfway point as well. Pull the latches and slide in with a nice confident sounding click so that you know it is secure and ready to go. As you can see, the Shred Sled is currently loaded with a Santa Cruz V10. Now, this is to demonstrate that we've designed the sled to work with the longest of downhill bikes, and with our sliding carriage kit wheelbase adjustability, it works from the longest bikes all the way to your shortest bikes. Now, that even works for small kids' bikes as well. As standard, when you purchase a Shred Sled Pro, it will come with mounting kits for 2 bikes, as you see configured here. However, if you want to add a 3rd bike to the sled, it does fit. You will just have to purchase another fork mount and drop-in axle holder and shift your bikes over, which will allow you then to fit the 3rd bike. A major benefit of the birch Hexa phenolic ply that we have used to build the sled is that you come back from your ride, your bike's all messy, it's made a messier sled, simply give it a wipe and it's very easy to clean. This you see here is our standard medium-sized Shred Sled. Now, unlike the Pro, this doesn't come with axle holders, fork mounts or our carriage kit, but it's the perfect solution. If you already have your own bike mounting solution, you just need a sled that, you know, does what it says on the tin, then this is going to be the solution for you. You'll save cost, and if you do want to upgrade to the features of the Pro at any time, then simply buy the carriage kit, axle holders and fork mounts, and they will drop in to your standard Shred Sled. Cheers for checking out our Shred Sled bike storage system. I'll leave the link to our website for the product page in the description for you to check it out. And if you have any further questions or queries, then don't hesitate to give us an email or a call. Cheers, guys.